John Kerry. So what are we up to today, people? Oh, so I'm supposed to figure it out myself? Okay. I think one of the things I'm going to do is tackle this. It was rotting when we first bought the motorhome, and as you can see, it's just gone. So I think it's time to make a new one. The box is solid, it's just the lid. I guess they didn't keep a coat of paint on it and the water got in, so time to make a new one. This one's made out of quarter-inch plywood maybe, and I'm going to make it out of 3/8. And instead of just using some pieces of wood like this tacked on, I'm going to actually make these out of plywood and miter them. So a couple things I have to do. One is going to be to get the plywood out, which is buried a little bit. Buried right there. Looks like 5/8. A little thicker than I want, but it'll work. And the big thing is going to be taking the shopsmith out, which is buried a lot. What? Hi, crew. Hi, crew. Hi, buddy. Hey, I'll get your face. Hey. Big tough dog. Hey, you big toughie. Yeah. Kyle's dog, and he likely thinks that he gets to keep him. That's gonna be a battle. Actually, he will get to keep him, but Mom and I like to bug him up on it. Anyway, shopsmith is back there, so I gotta move some stuff here. Gonna have to move the rotisserie over, which of course means moving other stuff over. You can help, or you can sit and watch. And if I know you guys, you'd likely just be happy sitting and watching, so. Feel free.
Bugs on it.
Doesn't bother me.
Salby does like being in the dark. Yuck.
Oh, squished it.
Yeah.
Just a bug. Hey, while I'm making these adjustments, the machine is unplugged. Now, since this sheet is 4 feet wide, I want to make sure I have plenty table to hold it. So, the easiest way to do that is to loosen the headstock lock. table lock. Move them down. I got the power turned on. I've got all the locks tightened. Double check. Eye protectors, bullshit protectors. Very sharp blade. Definitely doesn't have a very big curve to it. I'll likely need to wait until Kyle gets home to cut this. So, in the meantime, I think I'll go sit and rest my legs for a little bit before I get tired. I can feel it just slightly. This is where I'm coming in. This is where I used to just say, well, I'll finish this job, where I would finish cutting the wood, but then I'd feel like crap for the rest of the day and not do anything. Maybe even tomorrow. So, this is the message that I'm trying to listen to. Anyway, I'm going to sit and rest a little bit, and then I'll go out and I'll see if I have another blade I can use for that saw, maybe a plywood blade. Looking at that blade now, it's just a regular curved, it's got a low tooth count. It's not even a carbide blade, so I have a whole bunch of blades. I'll take a look at what I have. I'm pretty sure I have half a dozen or so that size, and I'm sure at least one of them will be a cross or a plywood blade, and at least one or more will be carbide tipped. So in the meantime, take it easy and have a good one.